is the Carrier variable speed air handler at my friend's house running in cool mode. And I can't really get back there right now because there's a table in the way. It is a very warm day, about 75 degrees, humid. It's been raining off and on for a while now. Figured I'd start with the air handler today since I haven't done that in a while. And it has been almost a year to the date that my friend's parents had the Bryant heat pump and Carrier air handler installed. And I think the second stage just kicked in. Yeah, it just got a lot more powerful. You can hear it spooling up. Yeah, the heat pump is a two-stage, and the air handler is variable speed. And it is 75 in the house, in the low 70s outside, and I have the thermostat set to 72. Not much to see here right now. Alright, let's go outside, and that's my phone. Out there is some sort of landscaping going on at the house next door. Here is the heat pump. And the energy guide sticker that I slapped on there not even a year ago is just about completely worn off. For those of you who haven't watched any of the other videos of this unit, it is a 16 SEER heat pump with a heating seasonal performance factor of 9.5. Very efficient. And it's not so much warm right now as it is humid. I had the air conditioner on in the truck on the way over here today, but it's not really that warm, it's just humid. Alright, let's take a little trip down memory lane here. They brought the air handler in through that door right there in the walkout basement, and they took the old air handler out that way. They brought the new heat pump up this hill on a hand truck, and then they carted the old one down this hill on the same hand truck. There's the thing for the well water for my friend's house. And it's starting to rain again. So I'm going to make this quick. And here we are at the front of the house. There's my truck. And right where my truck is parked is where I took apart the heat pump. Right here. Yeah, the rain held off on the way here, but now it's starting up again. Yeah, I took apart the heat pump right here. And the air handler right about here. My baby. That there is my baby. 2010 Toyota Tacoma. and there was a big clap of thunder right as I walked into my friend's house when I got here. Looks a little dark up there. There's supposedly supposed to be hail tonight. Gonna have to start clearing all this stuff out again. And the vines have totally surrounded the light fixture right there. And it's starting to rain harder. I'm gonna go inside now. Mine's getting nice and cold and sweaty. Alright. It is starting to rain harder again. Let's go inside. And I remembered to keep the door unlocked this time. Lost count of how many times I've locked myself out because it has one of those doors that opens always from the inside but can be locked on the outside. There's the thermostat. Feels warmer than 72 outside, probably because of all the humidity. And my friend just saw something funny on TV. Don't know if you can hear him laughing. Yeah, anyway, that's the thermostat. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.